Welcome back to the channel. So most of y'all probably know about my 6.7 Power Stroke. It's on a 20-inch Plan B fab lift, American Force 30x16s, Fury 42-inch tires. But some of you may know about Kaylees build, 6.0 Power Stroke, 10-inch lift, 22x14 XD wheels, and 38s. So I actually owe Kaylee about $25,000. So I'm going to be trading her my wheels today. I'm going to be putting the 30s on her truck, putting the 22s on my truck, you know, so then I can pay off my debt that I actually have. As you can see, my truck being a 20-inch lift is skating over these wheels. I have no issues with rubbing or anything. I think I could run 53s on this lift and not rub. Her truck, on the other hand, is on the 10-inch lift and it is rubbing the 38s pretty bad. So we might have to do a little bit of trimming to make these 42s fit, but I have no choice. They gotta go. That's what happens when you borrow money, kids. Wait, did you grab the 2 feet of spacers?
Yeah, they're in the bed.
Oh, okay.
Rip the wheel.
Now, since we're putting these 57-inch tires on Kaylee's truck, you have to jack it up about 3.5 feet. Piper, go stand on the brake.
Come on, go stand on the brake, Piper.
Stand on the brake. As you can see, there's only 6 lug nuts on this, and that's because this is actually a 6-lug axle conversion, because 8 lugs is too heavy. This is a race truck. So because it has 6 lugs, it actually saves about 500 pounds in weight reduction. These are actually 66s. They just look like 42s, but not. So jacked up, it's the same size. That's insane. This is gonna be fine. My debt will be paid back. Stay.
Uh-oh.
Now we're taking off these 7-foot-long wheel spacers, wheel adapters, because those 30s are actually a Dodge lug pattern. So we're gonna have two adapters and about 5 4-inch wheel spacers. So then it'll equal a little over 2 feet of wheel spacers.
We're putting my lug nuts on now, right?
It's gonna skate them just a little bit. When tightening lug nuts, you want to do a star pattern. So if you start right here, you're gonna want to go around in a circle. So when you're taking your lug nuts off, you want to make sure that you take them off nice and slow so you don't bang on your $25,000. When you're lowering the truck off the jack, you want to be in a safe location and lower it nice and slow. Like that. That looks so stupid.
I can't.
My truck's making about 1,200 horsepower to the rear driver's side tire. So it's pretty insane to drive. It actually doesn't stay on the ground. The truck is actually levitating an inch off the ground at all times because of how fast it goes. I actually have to unplug all 6 of the batteries because the truck likes to do rolling burnouts in park while the truck is off. I woke up last night and I saw the truck drive itself out of the driveway, go into that field over there, and start doing wheelies. So I have to unplug the battery so it doesn't run away. Now you may be saying to yourself, Gabe, there's no way you can drive a truck like that. You can't take a truck, put it on 30x16s with 42-inch tires and 2 feet of spacers and drive it every day. There's no way. Well, I'm here to tell you that you're wrong. As you can see, it has plenty of room. This is plenty of room to go driving every single day with. I'll show you exactly how much turning radius you have. We got about a half a turn on the wheel. And on this side, you can see that we have plenty of room. Daily driving 16 wides with 2 feet of spacers, no problem. You have tons of room. You will definitely not rub. Definitely the widest 6.0 on the planet. Might just be the first 6.0 on 30s. And most definitely the baddest lady driven 6.0 ever.